Got some motion up there at the owl nest at Whispering Hills Ranch. Most likely one of the adults. Where'd I go? I lost the whole nest. Let me back out a bit here. Here we are. So it'll be interesting to watch as the weeks go by, because we should have owlets soon.
Okay, I realized I haven't done a video on the lower stream waterfall, especially since the rain season is over. The sun is shining. It just looked really beautiful and inviting today. We have no ducks. Yeah, we have no ducks. At least ducks that we can see, so I guess no ducklings.
Yeah, the other side I have a couple of ducks.
They were coming here every day for a while. We thought maybe they would do their nest with the babies, but no.
Actually, they fly away. Yeah. They fly away, yeah.
Okay.
So the nest must be somewhere else. Okay, so see you to over that.
Bye-bye. Okay. This beautiful sound of the waterfall coming, cascading over the rocks, and would have been a nice home for a duck family, but I guess it's not to be.
I had briefly caught a bit of motion up at the owl nest. Oop, lost the nest. There's where I'm going. Okay, get in closer. Yeah, there you are. Yes. Okay, go home and see what this looks like on the big screen.
Yeah, we have a raptor. And that's all I'm going to say until I have a chance to look at it at home. I'm not going to proclaim it to be a Cooper's hawk or a red shoulder. I don't think it's red shoulder, but anyway. It's in an evergreen tree off of Kennedy Road Drive. I would say Cooper's hawk if I had to guess. But I don't know yet.